Hello, it's Cam at Stafford Land Rover showing you today this brand new Land Rover Range Rover Sport SE finished in Santorini black, which comes with a D300 diesel engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The large front LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 23-inch 5-split spoke gloss black alloy wheels. Stepping into the back of the car, we can find the light cloud and ebony leather seats with the same light cloud and ebony interior. The seats do also contain ISOFIX points as well as a fold-down armrest which houses a storage tray and 2 cup holders, and backseat passengers can also utilise their own rear climate control vent, which does include heated seats for the rear passengers. Making our way into the front, we can see the continuation of the light cloud and ebony interior seen on the dash and steering wheel. The seats are the same as in the back, this time with additional side support for extra comfort, and they are electronically operated with controls found on the doors. Here's a closer look at the multifunctional 2-tone leather-wrapped steering wheel, which does have controls on the left for the virtual cockpit, hands-free telephone and voice control system, and on the right for the cruise control as well as heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit itself has different display layout options to best suit driver preference. These include dial, map and focused. And speaking of map, the main touchscreen infotainment system does include satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can access radio with FM and DAB, and the driver can connect wirelessly to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated seats are found here as well, and by clicking the camera icon in the bottom left we can bring up the rear parking cameras as well as the satellite and 3D imagery to help manoeuvre this larger vehicle. Below the infotainment screen there is a slide cover storage pocket which does include a wireless charger for your phone while on the road. Behind the centre console there is another slide away cover which does reveal 2 cup holders, which can also be removed to reveal a storage pocket with a USB port. Finally, the armrest can also be lifted up to reveal further storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this brand new Land Rover Range Rover Sport SE. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.